Hello, lovelies. Today I have a fountain pen review for you guys. Ellington Pens is a new fountain pen company that sent over one of their pens for me to try out and give an honest review. I have been testing out this pen for about a month now, and I feel like I've gotten to know this pen pretty well, and I wanted to share with you my thoughts and opinions about this pen. This is my second time unboxing this actual pen, but I wanted to give you guys that experience and foreshadowing of what a person will receive when they order this pen. This pen comes in an elegant black box. It's just a typical fountain pen clamshell box. And right when you open it, you will see the letter E engraved inside, and you will see the paperwork introducing themselves and the guarantee. The pen comes wrapped in a plastic sleeve and comes with 3 ink cartridges. I want to show you the cartridges that are inside. There are 2 black cartridges and 1 blue cartridge. And I like that it comes in its own teeny tiny little box. And this model is called the Stealth Pen, which is their matte black pen with that, I guess it's called black chrome detailing, and their signature detailing with their branding on it. It is a snap cap, and taking a closer look at the nib, it is a black coated nib engraved with Ellington's cursive E. And you can see that this is one of the smaller nibs, and this is an all-metal bodied pen. It has quite a bit of weight to it. The website says that it's balanced, uncapped, and capped, but the cap does add a significant amount of weight, which I personally don't mind since I'm used to it with my Pilot Custom 823. It's pretty back heavy posted as well. Taking a look inside, it comes with an international standard cartridge. It's a basic cartridge that just works. There's nothing special to elaborate on the cartridge itself, but it's really nice that Ellington provides a converter and cartridges as well. If you don't have bottled ink, you can use the cartridges, and if you're a bottled ink person, you can use the converter. And it just works. Before I ink this pen up, I do want to compare it to my other pens. Ellington describes this pen as an affordable luxury pen, and I want to see how it does stand up between a pen that I consider more of a luxury pen and another pen that's just an all-around favorite for many in the fountain pen community. And looking at the Ellington pens, I feel like it's a comfortable length for everybody. Looking at the nib is a little bit shorter than the TWSBI Eco, but it is wider. And here I have another, I would consider luxury pen, and it has a smaller nib, and it's still, the Ellington one is smaller. And here is the Kaweco Sport, just for reference to the size of the nib. And they're pretty close in size. So I'd say that the Ellington nib is about the same size as a Kaweco Sport. Now, the weight of this pen is significantly heavier than the TWSBI Eco and the Platinum Century 3776. Now for I want to keep saying my luxury pen, the weight of it compared to the Pilot, which is one of my more heavier pens, it is almost the same, to be honest. Uncapped, the pens are quite different. The Ellington pen is a slightly longer length than my Platinum Century 3776, and it feels very comfortable to hold unposted. And this is just one of the Sailor Ink Studios 135, which is a very bright purple. And here, just playing around with the nib, it is one of the smoothest nibs I've ever tried. It writes very, very nicely. And I was worried about the coated steel nib. Sometimes they tend to squeak, and it just has a very squeaky feedback as well. But this one doesn't, which I'm surprised because I've heard of other people reporting that the coated nib does have that squeaky feel, but mine doesn't. This is a medium nib with no flex or line variation, but it is smooth, very smooth. This nib barely has any feedback, it just glides really nicely. I feel like it's a very nice weight, and it feels very comfortable uncapped, which for me, you guys know that I love to cap all my pens. I feel like this pen could be a perfect starter pen or just a gift for someone who's never tried fountain pens before, since they will have that nice smooth experience, and it does include everything they could need, with the cartridges to just start writing as soon as they open the box, or the converter so they could add any ink that you might gift along with them. So far, I'm really loving this pen, and I already ordered 2 to give away as gifts. And I feel like you can describe this pen as the people pleaser pen because it has a nice weight to it. It's an excellent writer and really is a joy to write with. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase this on Amazon. They actually have a $10 coupon that you could use, and they offer 8 different color choices. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fountain pen review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.